If you are trying to install Windows 11 on your PC and after completing the entire setup process, the installation has started after a certain percentage, whether it is 7%, 10% or even 98%, you are getting the error Windows 11 installation has failed, then this video is exactly for you. You restart, you try again, same steps, same result, same error. So in this video I am going to show you how to fix it in just seconds. Once you see the installation failed error, click on OK to close it. Now restart the setup process. Select your preferred language and click next. Then select your keyboard layout and click next again. Now here is where the actual fix happens. Pay close attention. You will land on a screen called Select Setup option. Here is the important part. The newer version of the Windows 11 setup currently has several known bugs, and that is exactly why the installation keeps failing. Microsoft has not fully resolved these issues in the latest installer yet. So here we are going to set up our Windows 11 using the previous setup option. So click on previous version of setup and you will be redirected to the old version of setup. From here the process is straightforward. Select your language and click install now. Go through the setup according to your preferences. If you have a Windows product key, enter it here. If you don't, simply click on I don't have a product key and continue. Next, select the Windows 11 edition you want to install. Accept the terms and conditions and click next. Now select custom install Windows only. This gives you a clean installation. Select your target partition and click next. Your Windows 11 installation will now begin, and this time it will complete successfully without any errors. Just let it run. It will take some time depending on your system, so be patient. Once it finishes, your system will restart and you will boot directly into a fresh, clean Windows 11. So this was a quick method to fix the Windows 11 installation has failed error. I hope this video helped you. If it did, make sure to like this video and subscribe to Winlozy for more Windows fixes. See you in the next one.